Selena, Class 10, Chapter 6, Solving Problems on Quadratic Equation. Exercise 6D. Sum number 1. The sum S of n successive odd number starting from 3 is given by the relation S is equals to n into n plus 2. Determine n if the sum is 168. Means n into n plus 2 equals to 168. Open the bracket. N square plus 2n minus 168 equals to 0. Minus 168 split into two terms such that its addition is plus 2, multiplication is minus 168. Plus 14 minus 12. N square plus 14n minus 12n minus 168 equals to 0. N plus 14 into n minus 12 equals to 0. N is equals to minus 14 or 12. But number of terms cannot be negative. Therefore, n is equals to 12. Sum number 2. A stone is thrown vertically downward and the formula D equal to 16t square plus 4t gives the distance d meters that it falls in t seconds. How long does it takes to fall for 20 meters? From the given information, 16t square plus 4t equals to 420 meters. Okay, that is equals to 16t square plus 4t equal to 420. Divide by 4 on all the sides. We get 4t square plus t minus 105 equals to 0. 4 into minus 105 divide into two terms such that its addition is 1t. Minus 20 plus 21. 4t square minus 20t plus 21t minus 105 equals to 0. Pair first two terms, last two terms. In this, 4t is common, t minus 5. 21 is common, into t minus 5 equals to 0. In these two terms, t minus 5 is common, into 4t plus 21 equals to 0. Therefore, t is equals to minus 21 upon 4 or 5. Since time cannot be negative, therefore, required time taken is 5 seconds. Sum number 3. The product of the digit of two-digit number is 24. If its units digit exceeds twice its tens digit by 2, find the number. Let tens digit and units digit of the required number be x and y respectively. Therefore, first product of two digit x into y equals to 24. Y equals to 24 upon x. Now, its units digit, that is y, exceeds, means here plus 2, twice its tens digit. Twice its tens digit by 2. Okay. Therefore, y equals to 2x plus 2. Substitute y, 24 by x. So, 2x plus 2 equals to 24 upon x. Multiply by x on all side. 2x square plus 2x is equal to 24. Divide by 2 on all side. X square plus x minus 12 is equals to 0. Minus 12 split into two terms such that its addition is plus 1, multiplication is minus 12. Plus 4 minus 3. Therefore, x plus 4 into x minus 3 equals to 0. X is equals to minus 4 or 3. Since digit number cannot be negative, therefore x is equals to 3. Substitute in the formula. Y is equals to 24 upon x equal to 24 upon 3, 8. Y equal to 8. Therefore, the required number is 38. Sum number 4. The ages of two sisters are 11 years and 14 years. In how many time will the product of the age be 304? Let in x numbers of years the product of the age be 304. That means 11 plus x, one sister's age, second sister's age, 14 plus x. 11 plus x into 14 plus x equals to 304. 154 plus 14x plus 11x plus x squared equals to 304. 154 plus 14 plus 11x, 25x plus x square equals to 304. X square plus 25x minus 150 equals to 0. Minus 150 split into two terms such that its sum is plus 25 and multiplication is minus 150. Plus 30 minus 5. Therefore, x plus 30 into x minus 5 equals to 0. X is equals to minus 30 or 5. But numbers of years cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equals to 5. The required number of year equals to 5 years. Sum number 5. 1 year ago, a man was 8 times as old as his son. Now his age is equal to the square of his son's age. Find their present age. Let the present age of the son equals to x years. Therefore, present age of the man equals to x square years. Okay. Now his age is equals to square of his son's age. 1 year ago, so son's age will be x minus 1 years. Man's age will be x square minus 1 years. Man's age is equals to 8 times the son's age. Man's age x square minus 1 equals to 8 into x minus 1. Open the bracket. 8x minus 8. X square taken to the left minus 8x plus 7 equals to 0. Plus 7 split into two terms such that addition is minus 8, multiplication is plus 7. Minus 7 minus 1. Therefore, x minus 7 into x minus 1 equals to 0. X is equals to 7 and 1. If x is 1, then x square will be 1. Father's age and son's age same, which is not possible. Therefore, x is equals to 7. Present age of son, x year, 7 years. Present age of man, x square year equals to 49 years. Sum number 6. The age of a father is twice the square of the age of his son. 8 years hence, the age of the father will be 4 years more than 3 times the age of his son. Find their present ages. Let present age of son x years. Therefore, present age of father twice the square of his son. So, twice 2 square x square 2x square years. 8 years hence means after 8 years. Son's age x plus 8 years. Father's age 2x plus 8 years. Given the age of the father will be, so age of the father is 4 more years. So this is 4. So to make equal to year plus 4, 3 times the age of the son. Therefore, 2x square plus 8 is equals to 3 into x plus 8 plus 4. Open the bracket. 3x plus 24 plus 4. Okay, so 24 plus 4, 28. 2x square taken to the left minus 3x plus 8 minus 28 is minus 20 equals to 0. minus 40 split into two terms such that addition is minus 3, minus 8, minus 5. Therefore, 2x square minus 8x plus 5x minus 20 equals to 0. Pair first two terms, last two terms. In this, 2x is common, into x plus 4 plus 5 is common, into x plus 4 equals to 0. X plus 4 into 2x plus 5 equals to 0. X is equals to 4 or minus 5 by 2. Since age cannot be negative, therefore x is equals to 4. Present age of son 4 years. Present age of father 2 into 4 square. 4 square 16, 2s are 32 years. Sum number 7. The speed of a boat in still water is 15 km per hour. It can go 30 km upstream and return downstream to the original point in 4 hours 30 minutes. Find the speed of the stream. Let the speed of the stream equals to x km per hour. Therefore, speed of the boat going downstream will increase 15 plus x km per hour. Speed of the boat going upstream will decrease, therefore 15 minus x km per hour. Time taken to go 30 km downstream equals to 30 upon 15 plus x hour. Time taken to come back 30 upon 15 minus x hours. Total time taken is 4.5 hours. So 4 and 30 minutes. So 30 convert into hours upon 60. That is 4.5. Convert into improper fraction 9 by 2. 30 upon 15 plus x plus 30 upon 15 minus x equals to 9 upon 2. LCM of the denominator is 15 plus x into 15 minus x. This term multiply and divide by 15 minus x. This term multiply and divide by 15 plus x. We get 30 into 15 minus x plus 30 into 15 plus x upon 15 plus x into 15 minus x equal to 9 upon 2. Open the bracket. 450 minus 30x plus 450 plus 30x upon 225 minus x square equal to 9 upon 2. 30x plus 30x minus 30x get cancelled. 450 plus 450, 900. 900 upon 225 minus x square equal to 9 upon 2. Divide by 9 on both the sides. 100 upon 225 minus x square is equals to 1 upon 2. Cross multiply. 200 is equals to 225 minus x square. X square is equals to 25. X is equals to plus or minus 5. Since speed cannot be negative, therefore x is equals to 5 plus 5. Speed of the stream equal to 5 km per hour.